Hello, yeah, guys and girls, whoever, whatever you are, YouTube people. I'm going to walk out here. The other day I went and got new tires for my truck. And it snowed several times since then. I had a heck of a time getting my truck out so I could go get the tires. And right now, we've got some snow again. And I know with the tires that I had, I couldn't get out where I'm parked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you see my driveway when I walk back here. My truck's been sitting there pretty much ever since I got the tires. And I decided to get some tires that give me traction, even though it's only a two-wheel drive truck. I don't usually carry weight around in the back. It didn't seem to make any difference. I was always stuck. So let me turn this around and I'll talk to you some more. Figure out how to do this. Out here in the daylight, it's hard to see what I'm doing. Well, how do I do that? Alright, maybe I'm back on track. I don't know. Anyway, I've snowblowed just like I did the other day. Got this so I could get up here and get some traction, but I've got to go from here to there. I'm going to set up my camera. I haven't tried this. I got about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches of wet snow here. I'm going to show you the tires I had put on here. Remember, this is only a two-wheel drive truck. Actually, one-wheel drive. Once one gets stuck, that's the one that wants to spin. And these tires I put on here. Some real meat to them. They're the same physical size, but the tread is amazing. Actually, I had them throw the old tires in the back in case I wanted to put 2 of them on the front this summer when it was real dry. But we'll look and see. As you can see, I haven't opened it since. That's all I got in here. I got a bag of styrofoam and the old tires. Those are the tires that were on it. Well, they're all about the same condition, pretty much worn out. It did be plenty good enough for summer in the front. They charged me to get rid of them, but I wanted them. I suppose they have to charge to get rid of them. Anyway, I'm gonna set this up and then you can see if I get stuck. I might not be able to pull out of here, but I think I can. Well, I got the truck started. I'm gonna let it thaw out my windshield, then I'll come back out. Let you see me get stuck with my brand new tires. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I see the windows starting to melt off, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull up onto the driveway. See how, I'm not gonna go real fast. I wanna check those tires. I might get stuck. Remember, I don't have much weight in it. If I had weight in, I know I could pull it out, but that's not the idea. Try to test it against the old tires, which I couldn't even get halfway up. Look at the tread. I didn't slip a bit. Just pushed it down and grabbed it. Man, I highly recommend these things. Those babies are great. Let me see if I can pull up my paperwork and show you exactly what I bought. I bought them at Costco, believe it or not. Can still get through that snow with those tires. That's what we got here today, about what is it, 10 degrees? It's actually 10:30. That clock's never been changed. Anyway, I'm gonna go out here and set my camera up and see if the truck will start and see what we got. As you can see, we got a lot of snow since the last time I tried it. And here goes nothing. I'll try to set it pretty close to the same place. I probably won't make it out. As you can see, there's close to a foot of snow here. Well, yeah, about very close to a foot. And it's been, from my snowblower blowing in here, made it even worse. And so it's frozen.